In the peaceful village of Nyamata, life was simple. Families worked the land, shared food, and gathered under the stars to sing. Hutus and Tutsis lived side by side. Neighbors, classmates, churchgoers, no faces being heard, just community. Then came the whispers. Radio started to change tone. They are not like us. The voices said, they are the enemy. Friendship turned into silence, silence into suspicions. Eyes avoid one another, and hands reached the machetes. April 6th, 1994, the president's plane crashed. That same night, the killings began. On the radio, cut down the tall trees. Then that day, it was raining, not water, but blood. Nyamata was no longer a village. It became a grave. The church turned into a massacre site. Prayers were drowned and screamed. Some tried to run, others hid on the bodies. The ground soaked in red 100 days. 1 billion lives erased. The war watched, the world knew, and the world stood still. Cameras captured the horror, but help never came. Those who survived now speak. The scared are deep, but their voices rise. In schools, courts, and churches rebuilt. Genocide begins with words. It grows in silence. May we never forget Nyamata. May we always choose humanity.